How to improve your English vocabulary. There are lots of ways to improve your vocabulary. Today we're going to briefly mention a few of them that you can start and implement today from home. And the first few would be to read, listen and watch in English. So if you're listening to English every day, watching series or movies or YouTube videos in English, and reading in English like blogs and articles in relation to your hobbies, your work, or in relation to improving your English, you are constantly learning new vocabulary and reinforcing vocabulary that you've heard before. Because I don't know about you, but for me in Spanish, I need to hear a word maybe 3-4 times before I remember it. And if it's an expression, more times. Because if not, I won't remember. And if you're listening and reading, you're seeing the vocabulary in context as well. So you're internalizing it more, you know? So these are more natural ways to improve your vocabulary. Other ways to improve your vocabulary are to do specific exercises every day. So for example, find a website for this reason and check it every day. One website that's really good for people doing B1, B2 or C1 exams, even C2, is the Flojo website, and the exercise is called Word Bank. So type Word Bank into your browser and you should find this exercise. This exercise, 5 days a week, Monday to Friday, has a new phrasal verb, a new expression, and word transformation. So it changes one word into its different forms, which is usually the most tricky part. And this is really good for improving your English in 5 minutes every day, your vocabulary. So try that. You can also try some online games like Scrabble to improve your English, your vocabulary as well. Okay. And then finally, my final tip for today is for the new words that you do hear that you like, put them on Post-its and put them around your work desk, or put them into your computer where you can see them or something. Put them somewhere where you will see them regularly. And when you see them, your brain will register them. So the more often you see, hear, or say a new word, the more likely it is that you will remember it. So good luck with that. And if you like that video, please subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see anything specific, let us know in the comments below. Oh, and also below you will see what we do and what services we have in English.